Here's a little video of someone else loading hay with help from Bailey. You guys always like to see me loading hay. Here's one of my helpers. The joke in the family is when Mom says, "Oh, can you come and help me?" And then they get here and then I say, "Oh, and by the way,"
while you're here.
Yeah, while you're here. So today we are doctoring an eyeball on a sheep and loading up some grassy hay to take over to the stockyards. So this is my daughter Nakia, wearing a hand knit Cordell hat.
And my mittens.
And the mitts. Okay, we got to get back to work while we got daylight.
Okay.
If I'm quiet, I wonder if you can hear just the sheep and the horse crunching on their hay. So when I tell you, as I mentioned, that they get shut in so that they stay dry, they're not crammed into a tight pen. They've got a lot of room. They've got room up in here as well. And there's more than enough spaces at the feeders. I could open this door and I have a gate that will swing shut, but then they end up laying over there and getting wet anyway. So we've had a lot of rain this morning, so we're going to keep them in for now. Luckily, my appointment is at 8 in the morning, so they'll get done first thing. A mixed bag of sheep.